Hello and welcome to Eclasopedia. You are lucky one to see the first video of Eclasopedia. Eclasopedia will be having a series of videos, and this video is about analysis of the 2011 Cricket World Cup. Yes, we won it on 2nd of April 2011. We defeated Sri Lanka. Yes, they were really tough, but still we defeated them and won the World Cup in 2011. And I hope we win it again in the next World Cup. So here you can see I have got players, runs and the balls faced. So you can see here's Virendra Sehwag. He scored 175 in one of the league matches in 140. Fantastic. And so on. You'll be able to see so many players. But here you can see these are all the batting scores what the team had done. And there are names of Virendra Sehwag, Gautam Gambhir, and these names are also repeated. What I want is to analyze the data, to get the number of innings, players, runs, the balls faced, maximum, minimum, 50s, 100s. So I need to do an analysis of the World Cup 2011 for the Indian team. So first I need the name of the players, but here I've got 76 names, and but actually there would be just 11 or 12 or 14 players in the team. So I'm sure we've got a lot of duplicate names over here. So how do I remove the duplicate names? Many years ago, I used to just see, okay, Virendra Sehwag is there, and then I used to delete it, and then delete the third one, and so on, and it used to take a lot of time to complete. Friends, we've got three ways to get this thing done. That means all the duplicate values will disappear automatically. The traditional way is to copy the data. I've copied the complete data from A2 to A77, and I will add it to the title players. And now what should I do? I will go to data, click on this small icon which is remove duplicate. Of course, in different Excel versions it is displayed in a different way. So you need to look for remove duplicates. Click on remove duplicates. You will get the option expand the selection or continue with the current selection. I will continue with the current selection. Remove duplicates. It tells me column 6. I have not included the header players over here, and I will click on OK. So once I click on OK, all the duplicate values will disappear. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. You can see here 62 duplicate values have been removed, and now I just have got 14 unique values remaining. So these are the players who have batted in the World Cup 2011, and that's how I got it. I went to data, went to remove duplicates, and I just followed the instructions, and I managed to delete the duplicates. Now there are two more ways of doing it. In this video I would be showing you one more way which is very easy. Let me just delete this data. There's a new formula unique which came in 2018, and it's available in Microsoft 365. When you're buying the version, please be very careful because the same is not available in 2016 and 19. So let us just see the formula. It's a unique formula. I will type is equal to unique, open the bracket, and add the array. There are some other optional elements, but I just would like to have the array. Choose the first one, A2, Control Shift and the down arrow, and I will click on the bracket, and there you go. You can see all the names have come automatically. So Virendra Sehwag, if you see the formula is unique A2 to A77. When I move down, you can see this formula is hidden, but it has given me all the 14 names. And my work is completed with this formula. It's so efficient, powerful formula. There is also one more formula to do it, and that is you use index, match, countif. That I will be showing you in my next video. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you will like it. Subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.